Hi, it's Jenny. Again, I'm going to do a diamond painting video. I've just had some happy mail. So, yeah, I got some yesterday and I got one today. I ordered this one again. It came quite quickly. They did message me on AliExpress and said I'd already ordered it. Did I mean to buy it? And I said, yeah, because I was missing some of the beads and I just thought it'd be quicker to reorder it so I can finish off this one. I'll be doing that later. Really like that one. So yeah, I thought, well, I can't find the beads, so I'll just order another small pack for the beads and that'd be handy for spare. I finished little snowman. I thought it was going to be a Christmas card, but it wasn't. But I'm going to put it on a notebook. So I've cut around it. When I go to Poundland, I go buy some notebooks and stick them on. That's that one done. Really like that. I've got that one kitted up in my pot. I've put them all in the little tabs so I don't lose any of the beads this time. My mind's not all there this week, so I keep losing stuff. Happy post today. I had that postman. Big thing like that. Shoved through my letterbox. With that in it. Yeah. Got a bit squished. Even I can tell that won't get through a letterbox. But it's really nice. It's already on there. It's stuck in. I've seen some where you put it off and then you dab, dab, dab. But this one, I've been having a fiddle. I can peel it back. And it's sticky underneath. You can pull these out, but I put battery in. That'd be nice when it's done up. I like that. Right, so yeah, it's got Merry Christmas on it. Lots of big diamonds to go on there. I thought it was something different. Always get your nose. There's a pack, and I got a. Where did that go? Don't know where that went. Cooking something next door. I can smell it. It smells yummy. Kind of stays. Excuse me. And again, off I go. I've got the obligatory boat, the wax and the pen. Every time I want to do a video, I want to sneeze. So yeah, I'll be doing that probably tomorrow when I got a day to myself. So yeah, so that's me diamond painting. And there's me. Excuse me. That's the kit I've just done. And that's the one I'm gonna do. The kit I've just done? Yeah, that's the one I'm gonna do. And that's one because the card had same colour, so what I did was I just put the same drills in the same pot. And then I got more of them, so yeah, I'm going to have fun. I really do like this case. Got it off of Amazon. It was only £10.99, I think. You get 30 beads. I can't remember if I showed it. You get the pink stickers in it and that. So yeah, I might be ordering another one later on. It'd be handy to have a couple because I have got a big one, which was Supernatural sitting in. And that. So right, I'm going to go. I know it could be about in half an hour and I want to, 40 minutes. Coming back on the bus and I want to have something to eat. I'm hungry. I'll speak to you on the next one. Bye.